Hi guys!
So when you open the door, here's the view, guys. So meron ditong cabinet. Ayan. You can put your things there. Clothes. May hanger. Ironing board. And then may blower dito. Laundry bag, slippers, mini ref. And kettle, cups, spoon, and fork, glasses. And then meron silang complimentary dito. Dear Mr. Assessor. Ay! Ayan. Wow, cookies. Ang sarap. And then may microwave oven if you want to heat your food. And then sa gilid, guys, when you open the door, nandito na agad yung CR. You can close it. And merong big size mirror here. Ayan, pwede kayong mag-check ng OOTD. Ka-open. Here's the comfort room. Ang linis ng room na to. And then yung CR. Tignan natin kung working yung bidet. Very important ang bidet sa atin. Kahit saan tayo nagstay. Parang dyan, tissue. Dito sa comfort room. And here's the shower area. Meron din dyang available na ng mga conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. So, meron na dito free use of towels. So guys, ang nabook pala na room na to is Studio Deluxe here in Citadines, City Bay, Manila. Ayan. And we have here water na. So, kahit di na kayo bumili sa labas. Mayroong television, vault if you want to secure your money. May aircon. Here's a bed. King size bed ata to. So, ayan. Very cozy. Ang ganda, guys. Talaga mararelax ka dito. And may pool daw sila in gym. Free use. And then tomorrow morning, we have complimentary breakfast for two. If you will stay here, meron doon kasama. Actually, guys, meron siya sa Agoda. Pwede kayong mag-book doon. So, ito yung view nyo. Nandito kami sa 10th floor. So, update ko kayo later, guys. Ang ganda din eh. Ang sarap, guys. Super lambot. Ang ganda ng view, guys. So, maganda dito pag sunset. Sunset, sunrise. Ayan na yung ito, max. Ay, grabe yung camera ng iPhone, no? Ito na yung, si Bay. Oh. Grabe yung zoom na zoom, no? Magsiswimming na kami, guys. Ito yung ating OOTD. Tayo dito. Ang ating OOTD. So, magsiswimming na tayo, guys. May couch din pala dito. Pauwi na kami, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng place. Ang ganda dito, guys. So, must try to book here in Citadines, Bay City, Manila. Ayan, near Mall of Asia. Tsaka ang dami dito mga complimentary, mga breakfast, snacks, may free water. Yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Chat! Salud! Ito frito, oh. Sarap.
Saan yung lalagay?